Hi, I'm Dee from Dee Lovely Life and welcome to my channel. Oh, and I got that on camera. In today's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, we are going to exactly do that. A tiny tidy. I'm in my laundry, what I like to call my office, and I have been deep cleaning it, which I'll try to insert some video clips here. I went ahead and I wanted to deep clean a little bit, as much as possible, since we got the new door. Today I only want to take a little bit of time, just even 10 minutes, to really go through all of my laundry shelves. Today's collab is part of Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home. Please go check out her channel and the playlist that is listed down below. There are several YouTubers that are also in part of this collab, and a lot of tiny tidy motivation for you to watch. So let's get started. Welcome to my laundry room. See what I can do in a tiny tidy Tuesday. Alright, just remember that. Just kidding. I'll pan it later. As you can tell, I have been well, what I really want to say is I've been so busy cleaning all the time that I have been just super fast. Just kidding. No, I really need to go through those, make sure that they get properly stored away. And I can see hand sanitizer that needs to go into the racy red. Let's go through this, and I'll try to put you on a tripod. And music, please. I think this one, I need to refill the rest of my hand soaps around the house, so I'm going to go ahead and take this one down. I also need to take one of these with us. My stockpile. One. There. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Windex. Oh, look at this. So I need to use, this is more of the refill. Yep, perfect. That will refill the rest of the hand soap again, so I don't need that one in there any longer. This is almost at its end, which I can refill this and the one from upstairs. So that's what we'll do. Just want to finish up what I got before I make any of the water and vinegar. Sometimes I go back and forth, depends on what the job is, but it is nice to have good old original Windex around when you need it. And then this little bit can go upstairs for the Windex that I keep in our bathroom. Let me know in the comments down below if you use Windex still, or do you make your own mirror and window. Ta-da! We are good. This doesn't really go in here. It's one of those, when what do you call it? The duster goes into my cabinet up there. Okay, so I have floor cleaner. Okay, I'm gonna do this as I grab things. Okay, so this, I love this. I got this at the Dollar Tree. This is the Comet Antibacterial. I really like using this one. So I'm usually always grabbing for that. I'm always grabbing for my Windex. The toilet bowl cleaner, I'm usually grabbing for that too. But my Pledge, for sure, I'm a Pledge girl. I just recently bought the Fabuloso, so I'm going to keep that there. The Pine Sol, I want to use up. I'm not so much of a Pine Sol person. Just reminds me of OG with my mom cleaning the house. But I want to definitely use what's left in that. Simple Green, I really don't really use. Jay uses this a lot, so I'm going to place that in this basket over here. I have a system here. Don't worry, you'll see it in a minute. Method is my all-time fave, so that's gonna go on this side. And this is gonna go upstairs. My thought process behind this is, this I really don't usually grab, like, I grab this, of course, at least once, twice a week, depending if I have guests. This I normally always grab, no matter what. So it's always on my right hand side. Since I'm a righty, I'll keep it on the right hand side of the shelf. And then this one I don't have to worry about too much. And plus this is a little bit more heavier. And of course my supervisor, Kitty. My Swiffers, this one's a brand new one. This one's kind of a brand new one. That stays there. Hand sanitizer, that is actually gonna go into the Racy Red. Hand soap. And I guess I can actually put this in the downstairs bathroom. And my Gain actually needs to go up there. Oh, and I got that on camera. Light bulb don't need to go there. That stays there. Clothespins stay there. Relatively, we're good. In this basket, I have my laundry lotto where I keep money, coins, whatever. I have 2 extra paper masks. I just like to keep there just in case. Bounty, we're all good. That goes there. These 3 are gonna go and get finished up refilled and then placed in the bin. Now these need to be relocated. This goes into the guest bathroom. This one goes in the cabinet, as well as this light bulb doesn't go there. That goes in the cabinet. This right here is garbage. And then these right here are going to be taken elsewhere on our trip onto our other home. And then this is going to be in our racy red for the hand sanitizer. So all of that is going to go bye-bye. Oh, that looks so much better, doesn't it? Let's do a before and after later, but this is the before here. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please make sure you click on that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you watch the playlist in the description box below, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.